Inspire's story began in Belfast in 1959 when Lady Margaret Wakehurst, wife of the Governor of Northern Ireland, became a campaigner for mental health reform based on her experience of supporting her son through his mental illness. Shocked by the conditions in hospitals and the lack of support for people outside formal psychiatric settings, she resolved to improve the care available and change society's attitudes to mental ill health.
Lady Wakehurst pursued her vision in spite of strong opposition from peers and founded NIAMH, the Northern Ireland Association for Mental Health, on the principles of determination, care, support and inclusion. 65 years later, this ethos remains at the heart of our work.
The innovative movement that started with the opening of the first Beacon Day Centre soon spread across the region, and the impact of our work began to grow. Our services have expanded to provide human rights-based residential, therapeutic and community-based support for people living with mental ill health, addictions, learning disabilities and autism across Ireland.
Our passion for what we do drove us to develop therapeutic and well-being services for workplaces, schools, colleges and universities. The establishment of our innovative social enterprise meant that we were able to reach hundreds of thousands of students and workers in all parts of Ireland, from the moment they start higher education to the day they retire. This confirmed our unique expertise in the field of trauma-informed practice, providing support in professional and community settings.
In 1979, 20 years after the formation of NIAMH, another group of passionate and committed parents, carers and practitioners formed the NI Community Addiction Service. NICAS, later Addiction NI, blazed a trail, reshaping the ways in which addiction was viewed by the public and pioneering the provision of services to individuals, their families and the wider community. Addiction NI became part of Inspire in 2016, deepening our expertise and shaping our commitment to recovery-focused support.
Throughout the course of its life, Inspire has grown into one of the largest providers of services in Ireland. Our campaigning role has made us a strong and influential voice. And yet, the values that shape our mission and our objectives today are inextricably linked with the values that underpin that first Beacon Centre. To improve lives, ensure that people are treated fairly, and create the conditions in which everyone may reach their full potential.
Lady Wakehurst named our very first service Beacon because she wanted a name suggesting light. 6 decades later, we are proud to be part of a social movement that shines a light of hope and changes the lives of thousands every year. We have lots of work still to do.
We are Team Inspire.